Howdy folks, here I have this 1998 Freightliner truck. Runs pretty nice. This has a Cummins M11 in it. Has a pretty big box. It's 16.5 feet long, roughly. You have your 3 tag axles. I did notice this front differential here has a bit of a seep / leak coming from it. We did try the bed tarp. It does work. When it comes back though, the switch, sometimes you have to fiddle with the switch, but we did test it. One thing with this truck I noticed is that it doesn't really want to build air. There is an air leak. I believe it has a small leak behind the dash, and it sounds like there's air leaking up from the fan area. Maybe something to do with the fan clutch. This truck shows as 484,081 miles. I'll take you for a loop around the lot here. Truck seems to shift nice. The clutch feels pretty good. Brakes work good. Backs up. We'll try these jakes out here. Yep, those seem to be working. Here it is with all the tag axles down. So if you're after a truck, this will be selling May 26th at smithsalesco.com, and thanks for looking.